Hello dear fans. What is consolidation? Consolidation is a form of systematization and combining into a consolidated general normative legal document of several acts regulating the relations of society in one common area. Upon consolidation, all regulations retain their content. In other words, consolidation can be called the consolidation of a regulatory document. The Consolidated Act, created as a result of consolidation, replaces all of its constituent normative documents. It has its own details, name, number, date of adoption and signature of the official, and is re-accepted by the relevant state body. Often in special educational literature, they cite as an example the decree of the Presidium of the Supreme Soviet of the USSR, which is called On Holidays and Memorable Days, dated January 10, 1980. It replaced 48 normative documents. Each of these documents previously introduced a holiday or memorable day. The adopted consolidated decree streamlined the regulatory material, combining it into one document, without changing the essence of regulatory regulation. Also, an example of a consolidated document is the Federal Law of December 1, 1995, No. 5 FC on veterans. He united hundreds of normative legal acts that established social benefits for this category of citizens. This document has greatly simplified the use of the law. So, consolidation is a technique for creating legal documents that has its own characteristics. So, it differs from codification by the fact that during consolidation the content of regulation does not change, and the essence of prescriptions and standards is not affected. Unlike incorporation, it is applied only by lawmaking bodies and in relation to only those acts that have been adopted by them. Upon incorporation, normative acts are combined into a collection and do not lose their validity, and upon consolidation, a new created legal document is adopted. Thus, consolidation is an average version of the methods of combining documents. In Russia, the trend towards the development of consolidation is such that the line between it and codification has begun to blur. It is easy and simple for a legislator to call a law a code, although this is a consolidated normative act. An example is the Water Code of the Russian Federation. In this document, acts on water use are simply mechanically arranged according to a certain scheme, and a general provision is written to them. In contrast to domestic jurisprudence, there is a slightly different understanding of consolidation abroad. The European Union considers it consolidation to include laws with revisions and amendments into a single law that has no legal value, since it contains a list of all regulatory legal acts with details, that is, something close to incorporation. Thanks for watching.